morning to.
My name is Christina Munte and my
Okay.
friends.
Yeah, I upload dari.
Okay.
Hello, and Nazwa.
Okay. Nice to
Yeah,
meet you
we are
all.
currently
Long time
working.
no see, ya. Okay.
We are currently working on an English segment from my lecture. Would you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Oh yes. Go ahead. It's my pleasure too.
Thank you, sir. How do you evaluate the effectiveness of the teaching methods you use?
Okay. I think the evaluated and more effectively, and effectivity teach in class in my mindset first. I'm always teach about given my student about example and more phenomenon of all of we, all of we all. Maybe in material class, more I don't know, more primary about theory about anything, sociology communication, stratification communication, everything. Uh, but I'm a correlation with more example. So, misal we talk about sociology communication. So then I'm calling correlation with example. Maybe from experience, maybe I don't know for your experience, and maybe for I don't know phenomenon about all phenomenon about our community, maybe a phenomenon of our family, maybe a phenomenon in my family. Then has to be good example to I don't know. I'm calling supporting the theoretical of material maybe and my PPT or maybe on my journal something. So for me, that's more effective because people more I don't know more simply accept my material. Maybe boring with talking about theory and the theory of everything. So I'm correlation and more experience. Maybe for me can help you all to accept what the material I've explained in class, just like that.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Any
sir.
question?
Thank you.
Don't to be
Next,
shy, okay? Don't to be shy. More. Okay. Next.
next question. What role do you think technology should play in modern teaching method?
Okay. First of all, my typical lecture, I am traditional lecture. How I can speak about that because the material for dominant, if I speak material of PPT or journal something, but I don't blind eye about technology. So because I'm usually full to be how about AI, ChatGPT, that you all take used to. I don't blunt eye about that because make we more simply more make more faster about how we accept the material of I don't know the alt of material about we sorry I'm communication maybe for all I don't know studies for that's for two maybe I'm now to be learn how about to be application AI for something because in modernization about I don't know digitalization of property we have to maybe I don't know maybe one two maybe three of after this year we call it that we call it application above that AI something and maybe more chat GPT or something not not you all the student the lecture had me confident apply it so make me simply more me faster to be how to be teaching in class how to be we research about material or something so the lecture pun more be adapted and more adaptation about this I don't know I can't call him the modernization of items of digitalization of communication about that. Any answer? Any
Thank you,
question?
sir. That's very well.
Okay.
Okay, next. What challenge have you faced when implementing new learning strategies, and how did you overcome them?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, maybe for us for lecture we have I don't know we can I don't know. My in my in this semester I teach about sociology about strategic communication, about strategic communication and community communication. But you know, somehow, sometimes I am teach to be substitute my another lecture. Maybe don't come, maybe sick or something. Maybe they have go work to out. I'm replace him. I replace her. So about category for studies, we have to adapt to another material, maybe anthropology, statistic, maybe or broadcasting or something. So we can be, we are in Unpam more be much the flexible lecture.
Yes.
Maybe today I'm teach about Indonesian language. Maybe next how to be anthropologian. Maybe next I'm teach about a statistic. So we are lecture in Unpam must be how prepare ourselves to be study about anything condition. Maybe I don't know anthropology, especially and useless. Maybe I like the statistic, but Indonesia language. I don't have more experience about that, but I must ready about that. It's about maybe it's just more flexibility about me in here in Unpam to be especially Unpam communication lecture like that.
Okay, Mr. Three question
Okay.
again. Okay.
No problem. Go ahead. All about the question, I'm try to answer.
Okay, sure. Any questions? What do you do to motivate students to be active in the learning process?
Oh, how to be motivated? First of all, I'm trying to be my lecture how to be myself. First, because before I'm motivate and innovate my student, first of all I'm to motivate myself first, and then if I have a more I don't know top level, more top pitch of my level to be I don't know more motivation, then I go to motivation my class. Maybe you another maybe 5 years you to be successful man, you be to be I don't know counsel, you to be the successful I don't know working professional. Because for me the motivate the students more the alternative I don't know I mean teaching procedure not to be how about material something, but how to be we can all to be the motivate, how to be we can make the good influencer to be our class. I think it's more I don't know I call it the effectively how make the situational and class more conducive, because we can always we can touch about theoretical about how to be me I think the first class very can boring. So method and teaching class I'm back to our class how want to be our class to be procedural more speak maybe on telling storytelling, or maybe we go to I don't know in movie analytic. I given my class independence to be how to be learn material of class just like that. I want to not to be I don't know authoritarian teacher, no I don't like that. I don't want to be authoritarian lecturer, no. I want to be flexible and I want to be humanistic lecturer. You know I'm not like that. Any question? Oh, no problem. It's okay.
In your opinion, what is the ideal balance between lecture, group work, and hands-on activities?
Wow, it's a good answer. It's a very good question. How to be the good answer to you? First of all, how to be the good at everything. The key point, first of all, in lecture, how to be they can manage the class. I don't know, class in the different character, different mindset, different stereotype, maybe different how to be acceptable me. First of all, how to be how can the manage the class is the first. The secondly, how are more to be closely full with my lecture. I don't want to be a big gap something. I want to be I always make just I'm like an older brother than you are. Then you're more flexibility, not to be scared to me. How to be our class just like yeah, just like interaction with family. Like your little sister speak with the older brother, just like that. Not in class, yeah, maybe on out class. How about maybe I don't know, in 9 p.m. Another student came sends message to me. Sir, do you have slate or not? Yeah, we can speak about I don't know situation of class, maybe of I don't know private private life. Some people, my student juga speak to me about private himself life misalnya. I have a problem with my family, sir. How about solution like that? For that, for example, I want to be more closely with you all, just like that. I don't want to be more gap. I want to be, I don't know. I don't know. I want to be humanistic lecture. There's, like you know, lectures look like that. So anything? Yes?
Okay. One last question.
Okay.
How do you adapt your teaching style for students with different learning needs or background?
Oh, okay. Just maybe same like just the same answer like that. I want to be closely with my. I want always to be more closely with my my student. Not to be I don't know in class maybe at our class we meet and maybe in canteen and maybe I don't know when another maybe if you were outside activity maybe I don't know maybe we, yeah I don't know I want to be more flexibility just like that. I don't want to be a gap full or something. Just like you have been meet with your older brother, maybe the long time no see your older brother, then in the situation you, oh, this is my brother, just like that. I'm with more flexibility, more, I don't know, humanity or everything. I don't want to be, make scare everyone. Yeah. So I'm always how to be my I don't know, to be humble people just like that. So we then have the different thing begin our position yeah in maybe now in campus I'm your lecturer, you're my student, but you're in also outside we can outside of the class I want to be just like sister and brother just like that. Gitu. So I don't want the different thing about our situational about position. I don't want to be gap all about that because about position or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else about the question? Answer a question?
Okay, enough.
Is enough?
Enough,
Okay.
enough.
Maybe then you closing?
Yes. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
your
much.
time.
Okay. I hope my experience can be used for you all, just like that. Thank you
Thank you.
for
Thank
this
you so much.
time.